Hello and welcome to my page. This is going to be a 120 word per minute Q&A edited for privacy. And when my hand is up, it will be question, and when my hand is down, it will be answer. Remember at the end of the video to go back and rewatch it and read your notes so that you can check for your accuracy or any misstrokes. Okay, and we'll begin. Do you have any formal education in mold assessment or remediation? No. Okay, do you have any employment history in where you worked at an engineering firm? No. Have you had any experience working in a construction company? No. All right. And do you hold any other licenses other than the licenses that you talked about, the all lines adjuster license in Florida and Texas? No. Okay, so you are not a licensed Florida mold assessor or anything like that, correct? No. All right, great. Okay, I'm going to do like a screen share when I'm talking about the individual documents. But I kind of want you, Mr. Gates, to have copies of the documents in front of you as well, so it wouldn't take as long to scroll through every page and make sure that you have seen the documents. Well, if I can see the documents, I'm sure I have them. Yeah, no, I'm sure that's the case as well. Okay, looks like I did get it on my work email, but I have to log out in order to Zoom. So it looks like I got it at 12:54. Is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 documents? 7 documents? Something like that, yeah. All right, Mr. Gates, I'm now sharing my screen, and let me know if you see the document that says Notice of Taking Deposition Ducis Tecum. Yes. So I'm going to scroll down slowly so that you can see the 4 pages of the notice. Mr. Gates, have you seen this document before? Yes. And you had a chance to review this document prior to today's deposition? That is correct. Okay, and I'm going to present to you that this is a document that was sent over or filed in this case, in which it is notifying you that we will be taking your deposition as the corporate representative for Florida Property Insurance Corporation related to the matter that we discussed earlier, case number COCE-19-200970. Yes? Okay, Mr. Gates, did you have an opportunity to review the 6 areas of inquiry that are in bold here? Yes, I reviewed the whole electronic file to take the deposition. That's everything in the file from letters, estimates, photos, communications with the named insured and or the AOB company as well. Great. And have you been designated as the person who will be testifying to those 6 areas of inquiry on behalf of Florida Property Insurance Corporation? Yes. Do you understand that the testimony that you give here today and the answers you give will be that of the defendant, Florida Property Insurance Corporation? Yes, my testimony is binding. Okay, now if I can direct your attention to page 3 of the document, which I have up here on the screen, okay, there's an area that says documents to be produced. Have you brought any documents that are responsive to these full requests? All of it is a part of my deposition notebook, yes. Okay, and we'll go ahead and state for the record that you are free to review and refer to any document that you have in your folder. If there is a privilege being asserted over that document by testifying and giving an answer to a question will not waive any privilege assertion that has been made by the defendant or your attorney. Okay? Yes, sir. All right. At this time, we will go ahead and mark that as Plaintiff's Exhibit 1, the notice of taking deposition. Now, earlier when I asked you if you had ever served as the corporate representative, you told me that you had at least 500 occasions. Is that correct? That's correct. Okay, this is the end of this take. Remember to review the video and review your notes so you can see your accuracy.